isn't easy. You must be busy. Life can take you where you never been. You have to prepare yourself. Life isn't easy. You must be busy. Life can take you where you never been. You have to prepare yourself. Have a picture about your future. There's something meant by the structure. Yeah, life's hard now, but it's only God knows. One day I'll be drinking Hennessy, enjoying life with my enemy. I tried to be up, but they put me down. I got no choice, I have to chase my dream. Life isn't good by my side. I wish I could hit suicide, but yourself you have to decide. Life is difficult, nigga. We have to show no anger. People out there are struggling because they lose their way of living. Don't wait that to occur to you. All the time, prepare yourself. We arrive here with nothing. In order to live, you need to have something. We struggle a lot trying to put our names up, but life refuses. I'm so confused. I had to choose. When I gonna make me sip booze? Life is a bitch, win and lose. You choose by yourself whether you win or lose. I pray every day, but my answer delay. I pray every day, but my answer delay. Life isn't easy. You must be busy. Life can take you where you never been. You have to prepare yourself. Life isn't easy. You must be busy. Life can take you where you never been. You have to prepare yourself.
Not only me and you must one work on it. Sharpen your skills on it. Do it for you, not somebody else. Check on you. Do it for you. Men are chasing, see you are sitting thinking. None can hold once. Chase your dream, nigga. Back in the game. Let them flip. Wake up with your hope, nigga.
Mirror.
This is for those who life is difficult. Let them rejoice, let them see life is good as beautiful. Let us to believe it's on every dark night. There's a brighter day. Pain no longer makes you stronger, it kills. I see a tear streaming down on my cheeks, but I see a smile. How the hell struggling for years, forgetting what is mine. Oh please God, take my time.
Life isn't easy. You must be busy. Life can take you where you never been. You have to prepare yourself. Life isn't easy. You must be busy.